Today we learn how we store truffle. It's one of the most important steps when you receive truffle or when you buy some truffle from the shop. These are some truffle that we have in this season. We have the white spring and the black one. As you can see, are still dirty, so we don't clean because it's important for a correct preservation. And we wrap in a tissue like this. And in a box. This is a seal box. It's important the seal box for the other ingredient that you have in your fridge. Otherwise, everything smell and taste of truffle in a few hours. We close and we preserve in a fridge, so 4 degrees for 20-25 days. In the past, this is very curious, they use this pot. My grandfather, when he found truffle in the forest, he bring with him in his pocket some soil from the forest and put in this pot with truffle inside. They preserve in a fresh part of the house and they can preserve for the same time, so approximately for 20 days. Now we have the glasses.